Hi folks, this is Mary. I'd like to show you a 201 Springdale. It's a cute trailer, so let's look inside. This is a simple and lightweight trailer that has lots to offer. One nice thing about this unit is that there is no slide, which gives you a feeling of two living spaces because the bathroom is right in the middle. There's a huge amount of windows in the rear where you have a couch and a dinette and you can enjoy your scenic view. The bathroom is ample and it has storage above and below the sink. There is a skylight also in the bathroom. There is a queen-size bed that is in the corner and there is a curtain for privacy. In the kitchen, you have a microwave, an oven, a 3-burner stove, and there's also an oversized barn sink. On the outside of this trailer, you have a full awning, a pass-through storage, and it just has a very nice, clean look to it. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Mary. You can reach me at 406-850-4590. Hope to hear from you soon.